Hello, it's just after Shabbat Shalom on February the 29th. It's around 8 o'clock. And this is Molly and Richard Herdman. This horse here is, this is Taylor horse. And this is Matrix horse. Herdman, the human. Richard. And we have Kodesh right here. And inside, we're inside the snow shed. And the winds are coming from there at about 60 miles an hour. And you can see what happens to the horses. And it's a GoFundMe campaign to pay the board in Airdrie, Alberta, North Airdrie, Alberta, $800 a month. It's because I'm 66 and I live on a senior's pension, about $1,200 per month from the federal government. I'm not complaining, but that doesn't pay the bills. And for 20 years, I've looked after these Matrix since he was 3 months, and they cure and treat my my mental illness, my mental disability. So GoFundMe, we help you. If you could help me for a shekel, $5, whatever. And it's also the Bell Mobility Mental Health Talk Day. A little bit late, but Bell Mobility contributes 5 cents, I believe, for every text message for the month to mental health causes in Canada and disability. Great effort, Bell Mobility. And again, put a link in, GoFundMe, and Richard Herdman, I thank you. Here they are, man. What a storm out here. Woohoo!